Are you tired of the hassle of filming yourself and hiring actors for your videos? Well, look no further. AI avatars are the perfect solution for you. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the best AI video editing tools that support human-like avatars and voiceover for your videos. With just a few minutes, I will show all the key features and limitations of each AI tool without any extravaganza explanation. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for all the AI tools mentioned in this video. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of the best ones available in 2023. With Synthesia Studio, you can choose from over 130 avatars and more than 120 languages and accents. You can also customize your avatar's facial expressions. Synthesia has various editing tools to help you adjust your videos to your liking. With Synthesia Personal Plan, you can make videos with up to 6 slides. Synthesia also offers a free trial version with a watermark and a restricted selection of avatars and voices. Colossyan gives you access to a large collection of over 30 AI avatars and 70+ languages. One of the unique features of this platform is the ability to add more than one avatar to one screen without any extra editing. You can also upload PowerPoint and PDF files to your videos to change the existing video template. The platform has a screen capture feature as well. However, this site has few editing tools to customize your videos. Colossyan has more flexible and fair subscription pricing. You can also make 5-minute videos with a limited number of video exports for free. With DID, you can create a talking head from any photo and make it speak in any of the 100 languages available. You can also create your own avatar head from scratch using the stable diffusion technology that DID uses. If you need help writing your script, you can also use the integrated GPT-3 text generation feature. However, DID does not have any video editing tools to further modify the output video, and it has a limited number of professional avatars compared to other AI tools. DID have a fair and reasonable pricing plan for all users. With a 14-day free trial, you can make up to 5-minute videos. With Yepic AI, you can create a video using more than 50 avatars and 40 talking heads in 65 languages and 480 voices. The only drawback of Yepic Creator is that it takes some time to process your video. Yepic has 3 affordable plans for all users, and you can try their 14-day standard free trial to make a 10-minute video. And here is something that might make you want to like this video. Yepic has a simple challenge to promote their service. If you take the challenge, you could win a 100-minute video generation on their platform, which is worth 100 USD. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this opportunity and give it a try. With Elai, you can select from over 25 avatars and 65 languages and voices. Elai also lets you translate any language with a simple click. You can also generate a script from scratch with the GPT-3 integration. If you wish, you can upload your own PDF or PowerPoint file and turn it into a video. You can even change the video from the URL or copy a blog post and make it into a video. With the editing tools and the built-in template, you can add text, animations, transitions, and more to your videos. Elai has 3 kinds of pricing plan. You have also 1-minute free credit to get started. Hour 1 offers you a wide selection of over 100 diverse virtual humans to narrate your videos in 60 languages. One of the unique features of this AI tool is that it provides you with a unique pre-designed template for your project. Hour 1 allows you to generate 10-minute and 90-minute videos per month with the standard and business plans respectively. You can also try the free plan with the 9-minute free video offer. Alright, if you don't like this video yet, here is the reason to do so. Go to the Voice tab here and select one of the voices. Then type whatever you want in this section. Then click Listen. Here is Domi from ElevenLabs Voice. Record this voice using this audio capture and take advantage of Hour 1 to access ElevenLabs voices for free. Did you get the trick? Pipio AI Video Creator lets you create videos with 54 digital actors in more than 140 languages and voices. You also have the ability to choose avatars with different personalities and clothing styles. One of the limitations of this tool is that it does not have enough editing tools and a built-in template to customize your video. Pipio's subscription plan starts at $20 per month for 25 credits, and with a 5-day trial version, you can make a 25-minute video with 34 digital actors and 25 unique languages. With HeyGen Video Creator, you can make videos using more than 100 avatars in 40 languages and 300 plus voices. HeyGen also supports talking photo features like DID and Yepic AI. You can also choose from a variety of built-in templates and customize them as you like. HeyGen also allows you to clone your face and voice to create a digital version of yourself. HeyGen's subscription plan starts at $25 per month with a 1-minute trial offer. One of the unique features of DeepBrain AI Studios is that it supports more than 80 languages with 100 licensed humanoid avatars and metaverse characters. DeepBrain Studio also has different templates and video editing tools to customize your video. You can also make a video with 4 clicks. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and done.
AI Avatar is an intelligent software program.
That's too bad.
But you did it in 4 clicks.
With the Adam and Eve AI video creator, you can create videos using more than 20 avatars and 100 voices. However, many of their characters look unprofessional and have awkward poses. Sadly, this website is one of the most underrated video creators on the list. With Rephrase.ai, you can create a video with 100 digital avatars in 15 languages. This video creator is best known for cloning celebrity faces for commercial use. The pricing plan starts at $25 for a 10-minute video per month. In the middle of making this section of the video, they just introduced a free trial version that allows you to access their limited service for free. HumanPal allows you to create videos with 85 digital avatars in 120 languages. This video creator provides their ultimate service for the users at a one-time price without any subscription plan. With the Deep World AI video creator, you can create videos using more than 25 avatars and all international languages. The pricing plan starts at $15 for a 15-minute video per month. You can also pay as you go with $1.80 per minute of video. With the Synthesia AI video creator, you can create videos using more than 69 avatars and all international languages. They also provide 3 kinds of subscription plans. You can also try one of their subscription plans with a 7-day money-back guarantee. That's all for today's video. See you next time.